Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today we're taking you on a 360 4K ride on Splash Mountain here in the Magic Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media at Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, let's get started. Alright, well here we go into the queue, and we will walk you through the queue and onto the ride. And if this is your first time watching a 360 video, be sure to swipe around your device so that you can see every angle of this amazing attraction. And be sure to watch this on a smartphone, tablet, or a laptop to get the best views possible. Smart TVs don't usually do as well with 360, so make sure you're watching on a smartphone, tablet, or a laptop. I apologize if the lighting is off in any of this. 360 sometimes doesn't adjust to light change as well, but hopefully it's doing a good job now. Such a cool queue. Sorry I'm walking fast. I'm trying not to hold up the fast pass line, but this queue is very cool. This is so cool. It's like in a little western village. Alright, here we go guys. Enjoy the ride. Of course, mister. Maybe.
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
but we like us. That suits us. How do you do? My pleasure to time to show your love. Time to move it along. I'm looking for a little more nature.
Get to that thing, man. It's time for a show.
Time to be moving along. Time to be moving along. Ornaments that come fade away. Music for the
Chased by brown fox and brown bear. As usual.
Hey y'all, hold up there. I want to see this here random place where your rabbits
Alright, had to stop for a second to clear off the lens. Here we go, that was awesome. This is a really warm day, so really good day to come on this ride.
this time, baby. Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. It's the truth, it's the truth. It's awesome, it's awesome.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that 360 ride on Splash Mountain. I looked at the end that there was a little drop of water on the lens there, so I hope that didn't bother anybody too much, but really, really cool. I've never done this in 360 before, and this is one of those rides that really does well in 360 just because there's so much to see. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll try it again as soon as we can. So we'll adjust the settings on it, and we'll keep improving, just like we do. And of course, just like all great Disney rides, you have to end in the gift shop. So you can buy your photos here if you want to, or you can use your photo pass to get the photos if you want. So take a quick look around here since it's so busy anyway. Love the theming, really, really nice. And again, I'm not sure exactly how the lighting was on it, but if it was bad, we'll make some adjustments next time. Normally I have the phone connected to the camera so that I can make adjustments as we go, but with a ride like that, I just didn't want to risk dropping the phone. So anyway, hope it was still good. And did this more like a vlog because I thought it might be fun to just, you have to see my reaction anyway since it's 360. So did a little bit more talking than I normally would on a ride video, but hope that was okay as well. Well, that's all for now for this 360 4K ride on Splash Mountain here at the Magic Kingdom. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as it really does help the video out when you do that. Also, be sure to follow us on social media with Resort TV1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip. Also, be sure to check out WindowRepairParts.us. Use coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase at WindowRepairParts.us. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.